It's all about relationships. There are 4 basic types of relationships: friendship, family, romantic, professional. There are phrases related to relationship. Let's remember them. To be in a relationship. To be romantically involved with someone. To be just good friends. To not be romantically involved. To keep in touch with. To keep in contact with. To lose touch with. To not see or hear from someone any longer. Love at first sight. To fall in love immediately you meet someone. To pop the question. To ask someone to marry you. To see eye to eye. To agree on a subject. To settle down. To give up single life and start a family. To strike up a relationship. To begin a friendship. To tie the knot. To get married. To be well matched. To be similar to. To work at a relationship. To try to maintain a positive relationship with someone. To drift apart. To become less close to someone. To enjoy someone's company. To like spending time with someone. To fall head over heels in love. To start to love someone a lot. To fall out with. To have a disagreement and stop being friends. To get on like a house on fire. To like someone's company very much indeed. To get on well with. To understand someone and enjoy similar interests. To get to know. To begin to know someone. To go back years. To have known someone for a long time. To have a lot in common. To share similar interests. To have ups and downs. To have good and bad times. A healthy relationship. A good, positive relationship. There are different kinds of relationships. Family relationship, friendship, romantic relationship, acquaintanceship, relationship at work. There are idioms related to relationships. Let's remember them. Blood. Flesh and blood. Плоть и кровь, родственник. Trousers. Wear the trousers. Надеть штаны, руководить. Black sheep. Черная овца, белая ворона. Apple. Apple of someone's eye. Яблоко в чем-то глазу, очень дорог кому-то. Phrases related to good relationship. I think a lot of. I have a really good relationship with. Supports me no matter what. Is always on my side. Very special to me. Phrases related to bad relationship. I'm not very close to. I have my ups and downs with. I often argue with my. We have almost nothing in common. We don't often see eye to eye. How to make a complaint. I'm afraid I have a complaint. I'm really unhappy, annoyed, upset, angry, etc. About. Do you think you could do something about? I wonder if you could stop. Verb plus ing. Would you mind stopping? How to apologize. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to upset you. I had no idea. I'm really, so, extremely sorry. Please accept my apologies. I see, understand, why you are upset. It won't happen again. Oh, I do apologize. I will try to do something about it.